A lot of people nowadays outside talking about English is very difficult to learn, right? Because different word, different meaning, different word, different vocabulary. So, what do you think about that? A lot of people thinking about grammar when they are speaking English, they don't understand about what I think about grammar. So, do you have any idea what we learn first, grammar or speaking? What do you think about that?
Well, thank you, man, for your question. I think first thing for a beginner to learn English is just learn about vocabulary, memorizing a lot of vocabulary at the first, and then, for example, vocabulary around their surrounding, in their room, for example, like that. And then after that, they have to force themselves to speak with themselves. If they don't find his friend or partner to speak, someone else has to force themselves to speak with himself or herself. And then the third is try to listen to English music, for example, or English newscasts or English movies like that. I don't think that they should learn grammar first. So
Okay.